This is the day after Biafran independent declaration yesterday in Finland, and many people have, thrown their support and the happiness, rejoicing with Biafrans, both non-Biafrans and Biafrans. Everybody was so happy, and we are still happy. So I just want to go through some of the things because I've been searching online. If you were in our broadcast last night, I made it clear that I'm going to check the reactions and the new propaganda of Nzama group. They have not said any meaningful thing. Metisela have gone hide. He have been hiding, and he have not made any post. And season observer, the same thing. I'm not calling their name because they're important. I'm just mentioning the few out of many that they have one. I believe they have WhatsApp group where they discuss what they're going to do, what they're going to do, and who they are going to attack. But the Emeka gift is only, out of every stupidity, one of them we take the lead. So he's the one leading them, in their hideout. But guess what? He is the one that owns most of the platform. So they have run out of propaganda. That does not mean they're not going to come out again. They're still cooking up, looking for who is going to give them idea on what to say about the declaration. Emeka Gift was trying to, do damage control yesterday when he made that post that we discussed on our broadcast. About he's not against anybody fighting for Biafra, but he's against the deceit. It's coming from somebody who is built or molded or trained to be deceptive, and everything about him is not true. From his name, his face, his identity, everything. So I'm not here to make this a broadcast, a Mega Gift broadcast, but just that we need to checkmate them. You can see here, this is his recent post. After eating yam with PDP, one idiot. Even from your brain down to your vein, everything in you is it indicates, everything in you indicates idiocy. But you are here calling people dead. Anyway, with that identity, jumped into IPOB and looked deep into our eyes and said he will end IPOB. Saying you ended. You see, one thing you guys don't understand, that when PM said that he will be your end, he did not say that he will stop you from gathering. But that thing that you guys derive joy from, you are not going to have it. Hasn't he ended? He have done that. If you said no, mention your family meeting around the world like you normally used to have, or since the kidnap of Mazaman, how many fundraisers have you tried to organize? You failed. It's not as if you have not made an attempt. You have made an attempt, but you couldn't do it. Why? Because no car for go away and keep Bazwa. Oka for Burungwa we batana Gejaka will go away we bataya and keep Bazwa. So whatever you want, if you want fundraising, you have to be the one to fund it. You be the organizer, you be the spectator, you be the cashier, you be the everything. So that is why you guys say, wow, we need to show this guy Pepe. Remember, we know who we are. We are known for sabotage. We are going to bring our best sabotage, and we are going to dish it out on you. And you guys have done that. Then, because the person is stronger than you, you couldn't do much. All this propaganda, I know that the Mega Gift and people like them, like him, they don't know that they can do this kind of propaganda. They know they are propagandists, but they don't know that they're as good as what they think they have done now. But one thing you need to understand is not about doing it, but the end is justify the means. You can say all manner of things you want to say. Guess what? Genuine Biafrans are now in Finland. More people are still coming. People who don't know that Biafra will be declared yesterday are still coming. Even if they know, they will still go there. Why? that is when you have volunteers in what you are doing, not people who have personal interest. Just like when you have American formed ESN. ESN was so good that Biafrans, due to the trust and love they have for Mass American, they have to troop into the organization to form ESN. And ESN was what? Doing what people actually want until you guys sold him out and the whole thing sour. Once the whole thing soured, everybody begin to question your activities, what you are doing, simply because they understand that you are not good for anything but to do propaganda. Everybody ran away. From the Biafran government in exile down to all the cabinet members from the head office, the liaison office, and military, that's different division army and different defense forces, everybody's a volunteer. Do you understand what that means? From prime minister down to the last person are all volunteer. Do you know that some of us, not actually, I'm saying some, all of us that are not even in the African government, media platform, like we are not member of the African government media platform. It's not because we are different from them or they are different from us. You see, what it means is that we all have seen your lies and when we know where we are heading to, we say no. You have to rise up and say the truth, because you are actually doing the work of humanity. You are actually trying to save life, not to cost life. Even Nigerian government understand it very, very well, that Biafran agitators are not asking for buying anybody. When you guys begin to paint the image of a story of you buying our people, to justify the terrorism they have laid against you as an IPOB, as a structural maintenance, which all of you have been crying, well, are we not the one that said that we are our leader? Just to prove a point that we are not just to prove to you that we are not calling for war. We are not terrorists. We are not terrorists. That's why we said we hand over our leader to you, so that to make you not to, so that you guys will not come after us. But is that the only solution? The answer is no. But this is what you guys are known for. So he said, after eating yam with PDP, one idiot with that identity jumped into IPOB and looked deep into our eyes and said he will end IPOB, which he have done. But out of your ignorance, you not admit it. You don't even know when they have ended you. Okay, for the level of brain. The statement resonated so much hate in us against that guy. 10 years global movement with hard work, because you were fortunate to interview IPOB leader. You open your mouth and insulted the living and the dead, and you think you will go free. That terrible mistake will never happen to IPOB anymore. Now, one thing, if you are thought you also survive in IPOB, because you talked about that it triggered your anger the most. So now you want to tell us that the only problem you have with Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is because he said that he will end IPOB. Do you understand what you guys have done before he said that? What leads to that? What linked to that statement that he made? He said, you guys, sometimes, like those villagers, and then in the Jimbo, and then they poison with Imbonoji. I pay Bele ka go for a poison na Noji ta, nebele. Those people are their young generation, or their youth are what you are seeing in IPOB, like people like Emeka and Co. Why do I say so? Can you imagine this thing that he said here? People who don't jump into the whole issue, we think that, oh, Nana, you know why he hated, what he said is justifiable. How can you say that? What did he do, or what has he said when you refuse to give him slot in IPOB in Radio Biafra? What is that? Why is it that when after the kidnap of Master Monicano, you guys spend almost 4 years until this day to explain to the world, to so-called Biafrans who are contributing money paying your rent and everything by contributing monthly dues to you. Until this day, DOS have not come out officially to tell Biafrans what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Until this day, if you have said it, please share that. You are good in sharing and tagging people. Share it and tag the whole world so we know what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As a DOS intelligent unit and a smart unit that you guys are claiming that you are, prove it now. The answer is no. Umokoko. It was the same person that you are criticizing that came out and started consoling people, calming people down, because you guys never love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So kidnapping him is just like is a normal thing. It's something that you have been expecting to happen. Without minding that millions of Biafrans key in with their trust and their belief and everything on him. People develop high BP, still nursing that sickness until this day, simply because of the kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And you said that what PM said triggered your anger. Who are you? Who are you people that are talking about? Oh, this Biafran is about you people, isn't it? How about the anger of the millions of Biafrans that you sold their leader? Okay, you guys say that you did not say the leader. Okay. How about you refusing to obey the leader? When he said, give me a slot, did you ignore? You think that gives all Biafrans happiness and joy to follow you the more? The only thing the highest achievement that you guys can do is to carry flag. Until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out, you have to. You see the flag, you guys will be carrying that flag, and you will get confused with it. That's why most of you now your content will reduce. You know why? Because PM is no more posting. He's the one that have given you updates every now and then, posting and giving you what to say. You know, now I know you guys are missing him because your video is not coming out like you normally do, and you know what I mean by that. So we know that, but it's going to last long. PM, even if you come out, you can do gra. Then one thing for you to plan, I guess somebody, but you are not the one to plan or to initiate what the person is going to reply to the plan that you have made. So the reply must surely come. It's a matter of time. So don't celebrate without looking at your back. Anything is possible. Anyway, my people, I want you to just understand that none of them have made a post after the election. Betisela is nowhere to be found. That franchise, no post, nothing. Citizen observer, nothing. Apart, I mean, when I say post, I'm talking about posting something that is, that they normally used to do. You're talking about, you look at you coming here to tell people how you guys are angered about what PM said. You don't know the anger that you guys also created in the mind of millions of Biafrans. It's not about you and PM. It's about you and Biafrans. That is where you guys are getting it wrong. It is not about you and PM. It's about you and Biafrans. So my people, tell me what you think about this. I want to hear from you. God bless you. Please share this message and so that the Emeka will get to hear this, because most of them are too ignorant and senseless. Anyway, have a wonderful day and see you again.